Greeting fellow modelers. Today, let's continue with the AD-1 Skyraider. As you can see, this has taken the varnish. The varnish on it is matte, which is a flat varnish. It's oil-based varnish. This is a brand I use. This, you see, is PBO or PBO, satin varnish. And what happened is I use it to do a base coat to protect the paper. After I finish, I'm going to use superfine varnish, which is this. The superfine will get into any unforeseen cracks that I don't like to touch up the joint area and leave that to dry. Now, the thing about oil paint is you leave it to dry for a few days once you apply it. I use a flat brush to apply this, right? A flat, soft nail brush, what they use in the salons. So, technical part now, we have installed our landing gear. It was pretty decent to install. The wire here is 1mm solder wire. And this is the result so far. I'm liking how it looks at this scale. So once we have put in our tail wheel, we'll then put in our hydraulic strut here for the air brake. I've installed the arresting hook, which is again 1mm diameter solder wire, and that's it so far. It's pretty good. I like how this model is turning out, and that will be it for now. So until then, my friends, take care, season's greetings, walk good, and one love.